Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of the prompt engineering course where we'll be studying about chain of thought prompting. So this is one of the most commonly used and important type of prompting where you'll be using it all the time in prompt engineering. So before starting the video, let me just demonstrate this lab to you real quickly. We'll be using prompts to get output from ChatGPT in the steps for better explanation, and you'll be applying prompt engineering techniques to improve your output. So yeah, before getting into the lab, let me just demonstrate that to you. What is basically chain of thought prompting? So chain of thought prompting is an approach to improve the reasoning ability of large language models in arithmetic, common sense, and symbolic reasoning tasks. So basically what that is, it gives you a very structural and stepwise answer, which will be very easy for you guys to understand. Let's just say you ask a question from that. So it will give you a very structural, very step-to-step answer. So that will be very easy for you, like all the way from the beginning till the end. You'll be learning the answer of that question like stepwise. So that will be very effective and really easy for you guys to understand. So just like all the types, it also have a very simple basic formula. So first of all, you need to type your question. So this is basically a multi-procedure formula. First of all, you need to type your question that you want to ask, and then it'll give you a response to that. And then you're going to type in your question again with a prompt. You'll say, let's go step by step, and it will give you a very cool step-to-step procedure, or you can say answer to that will be very easy for you to understand. So yeah, these will be the example that I will be doing for you guys. So let's not waste any time and let's just dive right into it. All right, so here is the ChatGPT open with me right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter my first example. That was, what is the diameter of the sun? And let's just see what output is going to give us. Alright, so as you guys can see, just give me a very 3 to 4 line basic output. It just said like the diameter of the sun approximately 1.39 million kilometers. The value may vary slightly depending on the specific measurement method used, right? In short, just give me an answer, but I'm not sure with that. Obviously, it's very hard to understand. I need a stepwise, right? So I need to know first, like what is diameter and how do you find diameter, what is actually it means. I need all those information step to step wise. So I'm just gonna enter my question again, and next thing I'm gonna say is let's go step by step as it was in our formula. Alright, so now you can see it just gave me quite a detailed answer. It said the sun's diameter is approximately 1.39 million kilometers. This value represents the distance around the sun from one side to other passing through its center. So it just also told me about like what basically a diameter is, just gave me a little bit information of that as well. So since diameter can also be expressed in terms of its angular size. So yeah, now it is actually very engaging and attracting for me to understand it a bit more now. So okay, if you're still not understandable, don't worry, I'll try to explain it to you by one more example. So now I'm gonna go ahead and ask him like about quadratic formula, which is of algebra. I'm just gonna ask him what it is. Let's see what it's gonna give an output for that. So now you can see this gave me complete information about the quadratic formula. It says it's ax squared plus bx plus c, and it's also to like a, b, and c are constant over here, and x represent the variable. All right. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and enter the same prompt again, which was what is quadratic formula, and I'm gonna enter my second prompt, which was in our formula too. Let's go step by step. Okay, yeah, so now you can see it's a very structural method now. So now it's just changed our whole paragraph thing to number bullets. So it said start with the quadratic equation standard form. It just gave us a standard form now, and you can say now you have to identify the values in the next step, and in the next step you have to substitute those values into the quadratic formula. Then you need to simplify this expression first, and you need to give the discriminant, and all those good steps, and after that it will give you the values of x that satisfy the quadratic equation. And now if you're gonna follow all these like step by step, you'll be able to apply that quite efficiently, like the way it was before, as you can see over here. So it wasn't making any sense, right? So yeah, as you guys can see, this is how we change a simple paragraph type of output into a step-by-step output, where it will be very easy and it will be very engaging for you to follow and just to apply that in your daily life example. So yeah, that was basically it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, don't forget to watch our more videos on this course, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.